Muted.
All right, everything is good. Audio should be good here on Zoom. We're good on live. First mid band was okay, I think. So, all right. Good morning, everybody. Monday, August 25, 9:12 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. I hope you had a great weekend and everything was worked out as you guys planned. Let me double check. Let's see. Audio is good on Zoom, audio is good on live, and we are good on Telegram. Still only Majid by streaming. I will have the equipment set up today, most likely for the remaining streams. And there you go. Let's first thing is first, Forex Factory, 10 o'clock, we have medium impact news. First, 10 o'clock, it's going to be new home sales. Let's see how that goes. And nothing else is scheduled. Only thing crazy scheduled on our this week's calendar is NVIDIA. NVIDIA on Wednesday, August 27th. Stay away, $4.3 trillion company. And with the AI going crazy, just watch out Wednesday. That's all there is to it. Everything else is okay for earnings. Maybe some Thursday and tomorrow something, but nothing crazy today. Should be a smooth day, but let's see if Trump wakes up and says anything stupid about whatever tariffs or everything. So let me fix the Dow Jones, 45,400. It should be 45,100. So I fixed the Dow. Dow is fixed 46,500 and 46,500. Dow is fixed. If you refresh, and let me see if so. If you replot the charts, Dow is fixed because Dow extreme high number computer had to go up. So we'll get started as soon as Daniel Brief is there. Let me look at night highs and lows first for NASDAQ, and then we'll go from there. And of course, Friday was crazy because the speech came of the Fed speech and the market shot up almost 600 points. Let me fix Zooms for Murtaz. 1 second. All right, Murtaza's Zoom is on as well. Let's go. And it's not just by live yet. We should be live soon. Still high to go, most likely is the plan. We'll be shorting every time it got to expected high. So let's see. So last night's high of NASDAQ is 23,607. 23,607. Last night's low is 23,462. So we have a 145-point swing. So the high became our R1, and we are inside S1. So I'm considering S1 done, honestly. S1 is done for NASDAQ. That's the nice session low. So what's the plan? What is the plan for today? Let me just get this going. Let me start my... One of the biggest achievement we did on this weekend was our ATM is working, where it will auto take the black candle rejection entry. It will auto enter, auto buy, auto sell. Everything is done automatic. So it will detect the third candle rejection. It will do a buy stop. It will put a TP in. It will put a stop loss in, and you can कुछ नहीं अभी आ रहा है 7 days नेक्स्ट मंडे को आप लोगों को मिलेगा इस वीक उन लोगों को मिलेगा जो टेक्निकल इनफ है एटीएम इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे हाँ तो अगर आपको है कि मैं इंस्ट्रक्शन वेबसाइट पे लिख दूंगा तो अगर आप बगैर पूछे कर सकते हैं तो आप करें तो अपना यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डालना है so you can install this on a because I'll make a short video if you can follow the video and install it. So I think most users so because now I've implemented the code inside this weekend. One candle rejection, two candle rejection, and three. You want to take a one candle rejection, no problem. You can just say, I want to only reject on one candle. If you want to do it on two, so it's the first of its kind of a auto traded trading. You still have to be in front of it, but at least you don't have to worry. So it'll calculate both direction. It'll only put in one entry. So the file is ready, everything is ready. I'll start giving out to advanced users and those. Good morning, जी. First day for those. Whose first day is? आपका पहला दिन. आप इधर इस साइड पे आ सकते हैं क्योंकि मैंने आपकी लोगों की ओरिएंटेशन करनी है. I have to do a first day orientation for some users. So just for now, log in, click on Ninja Trader, click simulation, and just look around. There's nothing to be done at the moment. You guys are just born into this field. So because we have a black candle strategy already for the long time, but that accuracy of that is it takes every black candle. This one you will take. This is what we called it a black candle rejection. So it's called the Automax rejection, and you can define your TP. You can define where do you want to enter. You can define SL. You can do this on anything. So it's pretty cool. And over the weekend, it's all done. You do need a username password on SuperAreas and needs to be active in order to that strategy to run on locally. So it for NASDAQ, it will work in a slow environment, not a fast. It's just so. But crude oil, natural gas, NASDAQ, ES, S&P 500, which is Dow, Russell, you can test it and give it feedback. There's no cost to it. It's free. It's part of your Super Area subscription if you're paying for it. And That's it. But pretty powerful tool. So I tested it over the weekend, and it took 3 trades in that trade, and it was 100%, which is we're putting a TP of $50. So we'll wait for Daniel's brief, and most likely today, if not tomorrow, I'll upload the instructions. Follow it. Don't reach out to Daniel. He has no idea. He's not gonna assist you. Tech support doesn't know anything about this new product. So you start messaging him, and he's gonna say it's not ready for beginners. It's only ready for advanced users. So don't make his life miserable by just texting over and over. When is the ATM ready? This and that. So most likely tomorrow, if not Wednesday, you'll have the files listed on the home page. So pretty cool though. When I black candle rejection, black candle to. So where am I gonna buy from? Let's take a look. I am buying somewhere 23,200 NASDAQ, 23,200. So expected low is my plan, 23,200. जी सर आपका फर्स्ट है आज आप पॉसिबल है इधर आ सकते हैं क्योंकि मैंने ओरिएंटेशन करनी है 1 आवर में और फिर प्रोजेक्टर दरमियान में आ जाता है मुझे बैक एंड फोर्थ जाना पड़ता है तो एक और फिर कल से आप जिधर मर्जी बैठे नहीं ये जनरली फर्स्ट बैच है जिधर मर्जी इस साइड पे बस राइट साइड पे आ जाए नो प्रॉब्लम that's so selling where am I selling it give me a second so 23,800 give me a no maybe a little lower so what's the problem 486 680 740 300 points first rejection we should get is somewhere around R2. So R2 is my plan for NASDAQ and S3 is my plan for NASDAQ. So S3 and R2, that's my NASDAQ's plans for today. Let me look at ES. What is ES doing? Yeah, it'll be inside. Will be a download section. So when you log into superareas.com, go into you will see a download section soon. S3 buy, R2 sell. That's my plan for NASDAQ. It may not go there, but let's see, because today is not really too crazy of a news at the moment. So new users, just open up Ninja, click simulation, and just observe however you're watching it. And I'll give you a full introduction, maybe around 10:30 after Daniel's brief and everything. What the program is about, how are you going to do it, this all, and just journey to make sure you guys are successful traders. 686, 687. So right now we're in S1. Let's see. Pressure is down, base is down. So we should be okay. I think his brief is going to start anytime. And then I'll bridge his mic into it. So this was the level of 470, 475 of Fridays. Fridays, let's see, Friday. So this was Friday's, where is NASDAQ? Expected high. We are in Friday's expected high. And of course, the ATM is beta testing, meaning you guys will give the feedback. Okay, I tried one candle, two candle, three candle. It has these bugs. It didn't go, and all those things along the way. And maybe before he begins, your super areas username password cannot be shared. Most likely starting tomorrow. Right now on the page, it has two-factor authentication. On the plotting, the machine that you get registered first becomes your primary machine and the only machine. So if you give your username password to somebody else to plot it, it's just gonna not work, and then you will get disconnected and that person will get connected. So pretty cool technology. All right. Looks like it's heading back up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Good morning.
Just guys, let me the mics. Yes, it's on. Ji. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Ji, Alpha Ji. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not intended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decision, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. And guys, do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you treat, and always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500 sitting at very tight, if you see pivots, but big push to the upside on NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000, all market, especially if you look at the S&P 500, 133 points push to the upside. That's a big push to the upside on our S&P 500. And the same thing with the NASDAQ. If you look at the NASDAQ, we have 573 points push to the upside. And the Dow, 11, almost 1,200 points push to the upside. Russell 2000, 100 points. So we are expecting a retracement to the downside. So we didn't get a retracement. If you look at the Russell, is the 19% retracement. The NASDAQ is 32%. Russell is 26.6%. It means we are expecting our expected low for the day. All of these markets should come down and give us a nice retracement to the downside. S&P 500, our high for the day is 65.14 to 25. Low is 64.27 to 15. NASDAQ, our high is 740, 23,740 to 800. Our low for NASDAQ is 280 to 200. And right now, if you see S1 is holding NASDAQ, S&P Dow, Russell 2000 hold by the S1. So actually we are done at 8 o'clock. That bar open gives us very nice push to the upside from, if you see 61, one tick more means price bounce back up almost 10 points for S&P 500. Even NASDAQ, our S1 is done. Actually, we're done in the morning. And if you look at the crazy big push to the upside on Ethereum. And right now, Ethereum creates a higher high ever and a very strong bearish diversion on our daily chart. So very strong diversion on the daily chart. Um, S&P Nasdaq, best is guy high to go low would be a good strategy. If you look at the value area, we got huge value area because of the push to the upside, and especially after 10 o'clock on Friday, if you remember, huge push to the upside. Went to our extreme high, a little bit up. NASDAQ hit extreme high. S&P, Dow, Russell 2000 was crazy, even extreme of the extreme high, and very strong push to the upside. So S&P 500 right now bouncing back from S1. I want to break somewhere 65 area, because I want price to break Friday high and give us a diversion to the downside. That would be a good, nice. But green midband to go up, magenta midband to go down. We have a gap trade, you have a top of the bar, you have a low of the bar. And then we have European session was dead. If you look at the British pound, exactly same push that we had on S&P 500, and Canadian dollar, British pound, exactly you can say it's copy of S&P and NASDAQ. It's weird, but it happened on Friday. Like very, really in the history I ever seen. If you go and see the British pound, Canadian dollar, they exactly moving with S&P 500. The push that we had on Friday. So British pound right now at PP, hit R1 and just hovering around the PP area. And the Canadian dollar, same thing, went up, and Canadian dollar is about to break our Friday high. It might break our Friday high. Euro exactly look like it's S&P graph I'm looking at. Euro and British pound. So euro went up, reached to our uh, Friday high, and now retracement in between S1 and our EP area. Crude oil is up, guys. Crude oil, very strong push to the upside. Crude oil is just right now banana and very strong push to the upside. 64.43 right now. So remember, 64.60 is our 64.70, 60 is our expected high for the day. So we have to be very careful with our crude oil. So crude oil is crazy, very strong from Friday. It's still going up, and very strong push to the upside. So right now at R3 area, so crude oil reached to our R3 area, and our expected high is above R3 area. And same thing with if you look at FDAX, European session start low. And from European session at, if you see 5 o'clock, it came down to test a low, did not hit, and shoot to the upside, $163 push to the upside. And right now, just sitting at our R1 and R2 area, in between R1, R2, FDAX. Gold is up. Gold Friday, very strong push. And you see, this is unbelievable thing is all these markets move in same direction, even wick to wick. If you see wick, especially gold wick, euro wick, the Canadian dollar, um, British pound, all move in the same direction. And look at the gold right now. Gold went up $60.60 in just 4 hours. 4 hours. That's weird. Very strong push to the upside. And right now, gold is sitting at PP. And again, trying to retrace back down. And remember, we are expecting a retracement to the downside. The best is let it create diversion and then push to the downside. Copper is up. Copper is sitting at in between PP and R1 area. Just unstable copper market. It came down, bounced back up, give back 100% everything. I'm talking about euro should start. Euro took market to the downside, and after 6 o'clock, it covers up. Not only covers up, it will even break our euro session. And right now, at high of the day, right now, silver is down. Silver, yes, Friday exactly. Very strong push to the upside. Silver, and in one day, $1.41. That's terrible. That's terrible in silver. $1.41. That's a big push to the upside on our silver. And the copper, natural gas is down. Actually, natural gas fill up the gap, guys. If you see natural gas open with the gap down, and just right now, the bar that opened at 9 o'clock, it fell up the gap to the upside. And please, guys, whoever is trading natural gas, you must change your contract today. It's October 25, not September 25. If you're not changing, you'll get the margin call. Actually, change on Friday evening. Actually, this last night they changed, but now you must change your natural gas contract. If you're not changing, you'll get the margin call. British pound is down. If you look at the British pound, Friday went up 100% it covered. This is what I'm expecting, guys. If you see Bitcoin went up 5,600, $5,865, and it came down more than the push we have to the upside, like was 66.35 push to the downside. So it came down 113% of the Friday push. The push that we have to the upside, 100%, not 100, 113%. It went up 58.65, came down $6,635, and right now sitting at the low of the day. And it opens with the gap down. It should fill up the gap up, but I don't know when it will fill up the gap. But the price is done. It give back everything, and this is what we are expecting on S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000, gold, British pound, Canadian dollar, euro. All these markets should get back that push that we had to the upside. When it will get back, we don't know. It will take time, but it has to come down to give back everything. And then we have Ethereum. You see, Bitcoin came down, but Ethereum is not coming down. Ethereum only came down 50% of the push that we had to the upside, $674.50 push up, and 50% is almost 50.3% is 339.5 push to the downside. So Ethereum is down, base is down, pressure is down. We'll see pressure built to the upside. And then we have this whole week. Today we have new home sales is coming at 10 o'clock. Green to go down, red to go up. FOMC member speech at 3:15. We don't care about that. Tomorrow we have durable goods. Core durable goods are coming at 8:30, 9 o'clock. House price index is coming. And S&P Composite 20 house price index yearly is coming 10 o'clock. Consumer confidence is coming. Richmond manufacturing is coming. Wednesday we have not much, no news. And then Thursday we have GDP that will move the market. And core PPE price index is coming on Friday, mean inflation data is coming. So Friday we'll see if our PCE numbers are high, price will go down. And if it's less, price will go up. Look like definitely PCE number will be high. So this is what our whole week. We'll see what price will do. But today, high to go low would be a good strategy, guys. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will.
That was the brief. So high to go low is the consensus. So again, my plan is around So at 9:30, the green fib worked the moment it came down. Got a couple of points out of that fib box. We're waiting for the price to actually just get into that zone of for ES. Let me just quickly check ES. Midband is okay. We got a point out of a midband. Give me a second for it's just an empty candle on price for NASDAQ is inside S1, but ES is right between S1 R1. So that midband from higher high worked. We got 64 was the entry, and the price is now at 70. So 2 points are done for. $28 485. Yeah, 492. So if you are in mid-band trade, you're done for the day. You got your 2 points out of it. Let's see if we get a lower high built here to go down. So around 500 is NASDAQ stuck. Let's see if it breaks back to 500. Both prices want to come down. All right, moving up a little bit. So for no major movement between just one mid band after open, 941. Let's see. Divergence on ES 1510. Let's see if it changes color. But price is completely flat. If you look at the 30-20 midband, it's just moving exact like in consolidation. I'm waiting for NASDAQ to get at least above S1, get into the pivot, maybe. All mentors are not on live stream, only Majid Bhai and myself. We were missing a mount, and that came over the weekend. So hopefully we'll get this all going today. So still back into 477. So starting to come down now after divergence. Let's see. Back up, 575. Stuck in S1. All right. Junaid Bhai is done. 3 points mid-band. That's good. NASDAQ still undecided. 2. Back to 500. First candle, second candle, third candle. Oh, we got a black candle. So that trade doesn't work. We're back up. Come on, go to S2 or S3, 23. First stop could be around 280, but waiting for 200. So within expected low, 262 could have a bit of a stop. So just saying. And went back up. Back to 500. All right, since this is not going anywhere, I can maybe speak about. Completely flat consolidation. Even NASDAQ is on the same bar. So where do you want to go?
Thank you.
486, 89, back to same number, 500. Okay. Just set up the camera. You guys are good to go. That's your one candle rejection. Start in about 5 minutes. $5.15. Bring up. $5.30. Still climbing fast. All right. Getting to somewhere. That's good. Wants to go to PP, which is 568. Winning in the green box again.
Green box का पीछा नहीं plus one.
Okay, let me check the camera. Scan. We got some picture. Good morning, जी. So,
आपको वीडियो फंडेड अकाउंट के बारे में
बहुत हर कंपनी के फंडेड के यूट्यूब पे पड़े. बुलनॉक्स, टेक प्रॉफिट, हर कंपनी.
पैसा किस तरीके से लिंक
हाँ.
करते हैं काफी ज्यादा तरह
वो तो सपोर्ट आपको कर देगी राइट अवे. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
का
हाँ हाँ, सारी पड़ी हैं, सारी की सारी.
वो सुपर एरिया भी जाना
यस 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 यस. नहीं, सुपर एरियाज में नहीं, हमारे पब्लिक चैनल पे फ्री सारी की सारी.
उनका होते हैं
ये ऊपर लिखा है यूट्यूब चैनल, ऊपर जो लिंक है ना. हाँ,
सुपर एरिया में जो
यस यस यस. All right, we're getting to 540. That's the new high of today. It should get to 570 first pivot.
सिक्स एटी का ही वेट करें
Yeah. Today's high is so far.
बता रहे थे 680
हाँ, 6 अभी तो यहाँ से दूर है जी.
दूर है काफी पता नहीं जाएगी क्या है उसकी जो स्पीड है वो लगने रहा है तो जाएगी
Making a new high. That's your third candle. Let's see. Still pushing up. 13. Two-point candle rejection. Yeah, I need to make sure this stream doesn't go there. All right. All right, guys, welcome to your day one orientation. My name is Rafay. This is a number you should take down. If you can't get a hold of Daniel, it's a WhatsApp number that's is a support number. So if you have any issues or anything, some members, it doesn't take calls, but you can send a message, WhatsApp, and somebody will reach out to it. So 647-228-0694 is the number.
Just for texting, right?
Just for texting within WhatsApp, because this number is read by 4 individuals. So if you have SuperAreas issues, if you have chart issues, you reach out to Daniel. But along this journey, I'll explain you where this number will come in handy if you are getting stuck somewhere or anything like that. So just take this down and you can send me a WhatsApp, and 4 users are reading this message. Somebody will definitely be able to help you out. So congratulations on completing this 4 classes. You took the orientation, you came in, and I believe yesterday was your class number 4. And your classes are done. Now today is your trade floor number, I would say day number 1 on your trading floor. So it's not that difficult, but of course, I know I joined just like you guys, and by the time you're in class number 4, you have forgotten class number 1. So my job here is Monday to Friday to kind of give you the bridge between the theory that he taught you, Daniel, and the actual practical, how all of this works together. Any of you have any trading experience prior? Have you done any trading? Okay, no problem. So, but in terms of very short, but some of you, I'll go with absolute basics and beginners, and then we'll build up based on that. So anything I say here as a disclaimer is not financial advice. Nobody in this company will give you a financial advice. We don't manage anybody's accounts. We don't take your investment and put it in somewhere and we're gonna say give you a rate of returns. You're going to trade yourself. So this is one big disclaimer. So why do I have to say that? Sometimes you guys can get together, form a group, and then say, hey, let's put a pool of money together. You're doing this on your own risk. We are not recommend anybody approaching from us. They're not us. So we have a mentors, we have global staff. So we will never reach out to you ever to say, hey, invest into this, Bitcoin, this, nothing like that. If you do it, call Daniel, call myself, and we don't do any of this. So we will never be asking you for username, password of your live account, funded account, nothing like that. So just be aware, don't give out your personal information to somewhere you're not sure of. So superareas.com. So my job here is, before I begin, is Monday to Friday from 9:30, 9 o'clock until, let's say, 12, 1 o'clock every day. My job is to teach you the software, how to use it. He does the theory part. Saturday, Sunday, you have theory questions, how all behind works. Daniel is there for you. What an RSI is, what a moving average is, what all of that is. So how all the operating is my job to make sure I make you like good experience with this. So I'll give you the whole presentation. So this is SuperAreas.com. This is the software that you see it running. It works for futures, stocks, option, crypto, any market globally. We've been here since 2008, 15 employees, 3 trading floors, and 12,000 members are since 2008 using this software globally. The software that you are watching in front of you is called Ninja Trader. We didn't make this. This is a free software available, but all these charts, colors, everything else, yes, we wrote the software for it. We have 4 data, we have 13 mentors, and we have 7 people who run the floor daily. So there are 3 right here, myself here, main. Then you have Majid Bhai running in the first office, Junaid Bhai running in the second office. We have Murtaz in another office, Tulip, Happy. So we have 7 people running this similar floor. Our job is to just analyze what's going on. So just like so we are no different than you are. It's just we have read the charts thousands of times, so we can predict what's going on altogether. So this is how our job is. So nobody's giving you financial advice, buy here, sell here. So as you see, we read some disclaimer in the morning, and you will understand it will take you about 3 months to figure out what this brief was in the morning. Daniel said, well, because he talked a lot about it. So if you don't have any trading experience, none of this is going to make sense at the beginning, but eventually, trust me, no more than 3 months, everything will start to make sense. We cover 15 markets. Everything else, new students take 3 months approximately. Like, yes, I've seen somebody start in as early as 14 days, and long as within 3 months you understand everything. So let me see, where's the market? 43, still stuck there. So few things beginning. You are going to become a day trader. Your job is to open a trade anytime within the 24-hour period. So the market runs from 6 p.m. all the way till 5 p.m. This is a day in a futures trading. So right now it's 10:15. At 5 o'clock, market will halt and it will reopen at 6 o'clock. So this is, so once you use this software, yes, you can do day trading, position trading, options trading, stock trading, whatever you like. But at the beginning, will put you into a day trading. So what is a day trader? Opens a trade right now, 10 seconds later, closes the trade. 15 seconds later, closes the trade. 20 seconds later. But maximum trading you're doing is 23 hours a day. That's it. So, and then you start the next day. You can trade 23 hours a day, but you're not holding a position past 5 p.m. So the final trade must be closed by, some brokers will say 4:30, some users will say, so depending on your broker, there are different times that you have to close. So 4 o'clock, most brokers will say that you're done. So once you're done this software works for everything. You can analyze Tesla, you can analyze crypto, you can analyze anything and everything. You don't have to worry. So at the beginning, what you're seeing in front of you, you will be trading futures, not Forex, nothing else. Yes, you can build into it. We have Forex data coming in right here. British pound, Canadian dollar, Euro FX, gold, silver, NASDAQ, everything. But futures, and within futures, you will be primarily trading top 3 So S&P 500, NASDAQ, and gold. These are the top 3 things you'll be trading at the beginning. Yes, once you learn the system, the software, the chart, you can trade anything. I don't care. You want to get into crypto, you want to get into silver, crude oil, natural gas, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Nvidia, Tesla. They all move the same way. There's no difference in terms of movement. There's no difference in terms of analysis. What is a higher high? What is a higher low? Once you figure out how to do one, rest is pretty straightforward. Now, why do we do S&P 500? This is called US 500. It's an index of 500 companies in the world. Actually, in the US, top 500, Fortune 500, US 500, S&P, ES, they all mean the same thing. NASDAQ is similar. It's another index. US 100, NQ, NASDAQ, however you like it. There are 75 companies that are part of both indices. So let's say Tesla, it's in NASDAQ, it's in S&P. Let's say NVIDIA, it's in both. Let's say, so we trade this primarily, these 2 markets here and across all the offices. Fastest markets, you get in, get out, get it done, couple of $100 and you're done. There's not too much happening. And if you like, you can do gold, crude oil, natural gas, lots, but your demo that you have right now will expire every 2 weeks. So when you signed up, you got a demo on ninjatrader.com, you signed up with an email, and you got your demo. That will only work for 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, so if you ever log in and you see data not subscribed, you see that window, that means your demo is gone. Meaning just go on ninjatraders.com and just get a new demo. It's free. But every 2 weeks it works until you have your own broker. So your demo is good for 2 weeks. It will let you do ES, maybe NASDAQ, but not a lot of other instruments. So you won't be able to switch between all these 15 markets that fast if you don't have it. Why am I writing these things? Because now if you go to a gathering, you say, all right, I'm doing day trading. Few different things you should know. What is a day trader? What kind of markets do you trade? And the third thing is the platform. So your platform is NinjaTrader 8.1 right now. That allows you to place your trades, to buy, sell. And this market of futures is open 23 hours a day. So it's not a stock market. It's not like you open up 9:30 and close at 4 o'clock. It is futures market, globally open. So crypto itself is open 24 hours, but this one is open 23 hours a day, 5 days. Now it opens Sunday, and today at 5 o'clock it will close, and then open at 6 o'clock. And so 23 hours a day, you have an opportunity to trade this market. Some users will say, hey, what algorithm are you using to predict the market? So you can say, hey, I use SuperAreas. The indicators, they give me the briefing, they give me the signal, they give me everything else that allows you to conduct market research. And at the end, maybe 3 months, 2 months, 15 days, when you are comfortable using the software, put you in a program called funded program. None of you at the beginning, I want you to invest $1 into it. Don't spend a money on money. Futures market is very volatile. It's very highly tempting, highly risky, highly rewarding. It's not like stock. You bought Nvidia. Yes, it's going up and up and up or down. You bought something. This is futures market. So the main difference in futures market is speculation. You just predict if the price is going to go up or down. That's it. Whole day, 23 hours a day. I'm in a mid-band trade right now. Give me a second, guys. Sorry. नहीं नहीं ES के ES का सर जी ES का साथ साथ मैं वो भी कर रहा हूँ तो उसको भी देखना है Okay. So day trader, future trading, using Ninja Trader algorithm is SuperAreas, and you're using a funded program. So this is all there is to it. There's not too complicated. You don't have to do anything. Our software will calculate everything at a speed of light in terms of how fast it can move up and down. Futures trading, 23 hours a day, your job is to predict if the price is going to go up and down. So let's pick ES, for example, and let me pick the price 64.70. So I've written a number here. This is 6,470 S&P 500 ES and September contract, September 25. Right now the price is 64.70, 68, and it's going down. What is our job? Figuring out price is going up or down. There are more buyers in the market or more sellers in the market. That is it. You don't have to make this complicated. The easier, fundamentals underneath it. What are you owning? You have a piece of paper? It is a contract. Contract is going to expire in September 2025. That's why you see on top, you will see something called September 25. So this contract of S&P 500 will expire September 25 in about a month. So now then we'll be trading December contract, then March contract, then June contract, then September. So every 3 months this contract expires. We don't care about 3 months. We're caring about what is happening today, right now in the market. Is the price going up? Are there more buyers? Is the price going down? Are there more sellers in the market? And we go with the smart money. Whichever way the smart money moves, we go pick up over a couple of points and this and that. This is not that complicated altogether. You just have to predict what is the next move. This move in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Like Daniel says, this price should go to expected low today. This is the plan. Our software has been predicting this for the last 18 years, and we have 90% accuracy. So every time, so today, our software has predicted some ranges. And look, it's gone to 71. So every second, nanosecond, it's moving up or down. So consumers globally are setting up the prices for this. So you either pick long or a short. So your job whole day is just to figure out what's going to happen to the price. So far with me, clear? Everything makes sense? If any questions, you can interrupt me. I'll stop, no problem.
Long trade, you're saying 60-40 or 60-71. So means that is.
See, right now, looking at the charts, price is going down, right? It should go down. Price right now, the current price should go down by looking at it. One chart is saying price is going up. One chart is saying price is going down. But overall, today price should go down because what happened on Friday, things were all crazy and then price should go down. Congratulations. Pay कर दिया? ठीक है, अब आप शुरू हो जाएं. सर वही आपने लेके जाना है अकाउंट को 54,100. हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको 1,500 दे देंगे. That's कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं है. आराम आराम से जाएं. $50 ले लें, 100 ले लें, 1000 ले लें. 1000 से ज्यादा नहीं ले सकते every day. So just ये target है. That's it.
And Friday, it's almost 7.58.
Yeah.
I did before.
Yes, I know because market moved too crazy.
And I should be trading 1 day in 5 days, right?
No, within 1 day you gotta put a one trade in, at least one trade. Yeah, but that's your target now. But there's no time limit. You don't have to complete. You're past stage 2. That's the real money stage. If you fail this, you gotta go back to round 1.
Less than
No, in 2,500. So keep calculating your threshold. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Congratulations again. So the day trader, futures trading, Ninja Trader 8.1, algorithm is SuperAreas, and you're using a funded program. That's it. So right now it's 70. If it goes up by $1, if S&P 500 right now, let me clear this and I will make your chart understanding easier. See, the biggest obstacle you will run into is how to use the software. Not, you don't have to think honestly in the software. Software is doing all the thinking for you. If it's red, sell. If it's green, buy. That's it. Yes, you have to match a few things. What is my moving averages saying? What is my RSI saying? What is my mid-band saying? All of those things, you have to make some aware decisions. However, you just have to understand how to buy, how to sell, where to buy, where to sell. Remaining, we'll take care of it. So let me put current price. $64.70. Personally, I've been trading about well over 20 years, putting in stocks of RIM, Visa, Snapchat, all those things when they become IPOs. Went to Hong Kong to figure out how to do Alibaba trades. But when 4 years ago, I heard Daniel on the radio station, and futures was very new to me. So it's a huge global universe, and futures was okay. Stocks, yes, you invest in, you look at a company, you want to buy a stock, you buy $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 worth of stock. You hope the company does better. Apple does better, Microsoft does better, and your stock value goes in. If you go into mutual funds, of course, all those things, you're waiting for the price to go up. Futures was very exciting because very quickly in and out, I can make that decision, and I don't have to be in a trade for more than maybe, I would say, 2 hours, 3 hours. The longest I've been in a trade is about 4 days, but you really are in and out of a trade so fast. You pick 71. Look, the price has gone to 71 right now. Why we were talking. So whole day price just moves up and moves down based on supply and demand. So let's make the price go up. Next letter is 64.71, 64.72, 64.73, and so on and so forth. And if it's going down, 64.69, 64.68, 64.60, and 64.66. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do so $5 move. $4 actually. Each time S&P 500 price moves up or down, so from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, you're looking at a $50 plus or minus. So S&P 500 from 6470 to 6471 or 6469, this is $50 of profit or loss. Why I wrote plus and minus? You can be right on both sides. You can be wrong on both sides. You are saying price is going up but goes down. You're saying price is going down but goes up. So futures market doesn't care about direction. It cares about which person is in the right direction and if you're kind of speculating. So right now, 64.70. It's gone down to same price. If you click a button that says sell and price starts to actually drop down, you make money. If you are at 64.70 and you hit buy and price does go up, you make money. So, but you lose money in the opposite direction. So if you click buy, price starts to going down, you lose money. If you hit sell, price goes up, you lose money. So you have to be very careful on where do you click buy or sell. That's all. Computer will be doing all the calculations for you and telling you when is good buy, when is good sell, and with time honestly, just your job is to learn how to use and operate this software. And we will give you some homework for tonight that allows you, it's a 2-hour video I want you to watch. And then if you're comfortable trading, sit here. If you're not, I'm going to put you in the office number 1. Majid Bhai, his job is to make sure that you're able to at least hold the mouse, click buy, click sell. So this is the job. If you are comfortable, sit here, no problem. My job here is to do the analysis and go. Sorry? Yeah, because your data most likely is expired, the 2-week demo, and then you gotta go and get a new. If you opened up Ninja and you saw 10-minute delay, then you are basically are that. Sorry if I'm not paying attention this side. This projector comes in the way. That's why I put new users in this area. No problem, but my voice is getting everywhere. So first office in the he will give you the basics, very, very basics. But he's gonna ask you to watch a bit of a video. I mean, do you understand what a background color is? Do you understand where the mid band is? Do you understand how to buy? There's a 2-hour video on our study that's called How to Use Ninja Trader. That's like the most critical thing there is about on how to use your program. Because until you know how to buy, how to sell, even sitting with the most experienced trader won't get you anywhere. I want you to click buy, click sell, and everything in between to figure out what is going on. Now, each time the price moves, so today my job is to give you the very basics, very fast in about an hour, right? And of course, you will then decide. So price moves by $1, you make or lose $50. So the futures trade.
So this price 66470 is from S&P
500 futures contract. That's an actual contract that is running globally, as you see right here, 606456. So this is coming live. These are 10 minutes delayed data on TV. These are live. You're watching the live market as we speak. The price is in consolidations. Last 1 hour is just going flat. It's not moving up. It's not moving down. Now, whenever this price moves up with S&P 500, it doesn't move up by $1. It moves up with something called tick, and it goes like 6900.25.50.75, and then so every dollar has 4 quarters in it. So to move from 69.70 or 70 to 71 or come down, the price ladder comes with something called a tick. So when we say 4 ticks, 5 ticks, 10 ticks, we are talking about the one step at a time. So from 70 to 69, the price has to come down 4 ticks in order to, and now each tick has a value. Each tick is $12.50. So 1 point is 50. So 1 tick becomes $12.50. So the tick has a value. Price moves tick by tick. Now NASDAQ price moves differently, S&P moves differently, gold moves differently, but will primarily. So if you always will see price at the end after the decimal will end up in 0, 25, 75, 50. That's it. So there you go, 72. It has gone to 72.50 now. So 72.25. So it moves by 25 cents. And each 25 cents has a value of $12.50. So if you got 2 points out of it, which we give you a guarantee that in the day you will get at least 2 points, you are looking at $100 of profit. So within a day, there are most of our every mentor's job is to make sure you get at least 2 points out in a day, and you'll be able to do that no matter what. Where the problem begins, we teach you by 2, from 2 to 4 to 5 takes a bit of a skill to understand where I'm going to enter, how I'm going to enter. But 2 is very easy. If you took a trade around 9:45, even if you took a trade at 10:15, you're done your trade of getting a couple of points. So you just want to, this is the word is called scalping. You go in a trade, you're like, all right, $50 come out. Go in a trade again, come out $50. So end of the day, from 8 to 11, the first session that moves the fastest, you'll be able to get 2, 3, 5, 10 points, no problem. So the best sessions to is Eastern times, 8 to 11. 8 to 11 is your first session. Then you have 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is your second session. These are 11 a.m. And the last session is if you are able to get up early, 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern, the European session. These are the three fastest sessions to.
Nothing in the evening after.
No, you can trade, but the market just moves so slow that you'll be able to not put a good trade in there, right? So this is like we want the market to move, so we know we have to have buyers, we have to have sellers, we have to have institutions, we have to have people who are trading. Sometime at 6:30, you will see there's a huge volatility because of earnings. Sometime you will see at 6:30, it is taking half an hour to move up and down the candle. So we'll teach you all the possible, outcomes of a trade, and then we will go in and you can trade anytime. Once you figure out how to do it, you can literally trade anytime whatsoever. So the price moves from 69 to 70, $1. Each dollar has 4 ticks, and then that's how the price moves altogether. Here, so far, you're okay? Okay. So what you've been taught in 4 classes is primarily every day you come, you look at the news. Open up Forest Factory, 10 o'clock, we had new home sales. Okay, number 1. Number 2, you check your base and the range for the. It is too, but forexfactory.com in your news folder, you should watch it live in case, because that's just an image coming out of there. So if you watch it live on Forex Factory, you're able to kind of look at everything. So your job is to first check the news, number 1. What time am I not going to trade? Who cares about what the news is, what the impact is? But on Friday, you had a news about the Fed chair versus Trump trying to cut the interest rate. And the price shot up almost 600 points. So just watch when the news is, don't trade. Number 2, check the base and the range for the day. Is the price opening my above pivot point? Is the price opening below? Range is, what was my night range? So I read out every day. What's the highs? What's the lows? And then you have your ranges coming onto your 60-minute charts will have 2 lines giving night session highs and low. And the third thing is then you start trading. If it's green, you're buying. If it's red, you're selling. And if the color changes, you exit. That's it. Simple. There's not really that complicated software. Also, right now, for example, what I'm watching, prices consolidate. With this software, you have 15 ways to trade, by the way. Once you figure out and start unlocking the power of this software, you have 15 ways that you can put a trade in. You have to pick a method. Now I'll start saying some method. You can do mid-band method. What is the mid-band method? Green to buy, red to sell. Trend trade. All of these are listed, by the way. I don't have to repeat. It's all listed. You can trade something called a Fibonacci box trade. You can trade something called RSI with divergence trade. You can trade area trade. You can trade black candle trade and black candle rejection trade. But I don't expect new users to do this. All you care about is green to buy, red to sell. From where? From mid-band. And just keep doing that over and over and over, and you guys will be fine. So that's the goal. Goal is to get you going with 1, maybe 2 types of trade. In the morning, what I am saying is something called an area trade. So what is an area trade? I'm not looking at anything here at all. I just watch these numbers. Right now, I want this price to go to 23,650. When it goes there, I will hit a sell. I want this price to go into a certain number. These two. In this type, these are called signals, alerts, or whatever. I don't care about your chart. I don't care about anything. I just care about my price to enter that zone, that area. These are called buy and sell zones. These are called areas, resistance, support, supports and resistance, levels, pullback. You can call it same thing. My job is I will wait for that price to go into that number. Then I will sell. In the morning, I came. Yes.
A friend of mine is online in your room, but they can't hear anything.
They can't hear anything. I don't have any issues so far. Maybe because otherwise my inbox will be filled. It's all Zoom is coming, Telegram is coming, audio is clear, crystal clear. Otherwise my inbox gets full. So you basically have to pick, but that type of trade will tell you when it's time, not right now. At the beginning, you just go green to buy, red to sell. Just practice on that. हाँ ठीक है वो one time किसी का issue. So my job to teach you is this software, how to use. Your job is to figure out where to go, where to click, how to buy, how to sell. Don't overcomplicate this. Honestly, you don't have to. Every single thing we do, every morning, Daniel says, don't think what is going to happen. Software is telling you what's going to happen. And we have an accuracy. I am building something which I completed last night. So my background is software development. I've written hundreds of types of softwares for different companies. You have an IPTV box at the home, at the bottom, and underneath it, how the HLS works, we know about it. So my background is pure software. So this weekend, we completed something called an ATM, Automatic Trade Management. For advanced users, that will take a trade for you automatically. It will sit down, you can turn it on. It's called the black candle rejection trade that I've been working on for last 3 months. And last night we nailed it and we ran the test on it. Now we will give it out for testing because more people that will use it. आप खुद सेट कर सकती हैं 1 2 3. देखिए आपने ऑटोमैक्स किया, ऑटोमैक्स हर ब्लैक कैंडल के साथ ले लेता है, राइट? इसका रिवर्स है. ये क्या करता है कि आप डिफाइन करेंगे मुझे एक कैंडल रिजेक्शन दे, 2 ही दे या 3 विक्स. तो ये रिजेक्शन विक्स की हमने एटीएम बना ली है. आप जाएं उसको ऑन करके छोड़ दें, खुद ही एसएल लगाएगा, खुद ही टीपी लगाएगा, खुद ही सब कुछ. So these are the things we are working to make your job and new students. As the technology evolves, we want to make it easier. But you still should know what exactly is happening within the candle, how the price moves. If I say, so the biggest example, if I say 30-20 has a divergence on ES, brain should be able to see, all right, what does it mean? I made a higher, if I shout out, SRES is building, you should know what I mean. If I say there is a 3 black candle rejection, you should know what that means. Yes, it will, not today, 3 months into it. So that's the most advanced topic. I will say, hey, guys, SRES is building on this. You should know what to do. Don't ask me, should I buy? If I say expected high is coming, you should know what to do. If I say expected low is coming or price is in this as divergence, or if I say, okay, my plan today is to sell from expected high, your question shouldn't come in 3 months that what am I doing at expected high? What is expected high? If that's the case, I'm going to put you back with the office number 1 because we have 12,000 plus students now. They all are at a different level. And they all have different account sizes. I have somebody who manages a $5 million account, real account. I have somebody who has a $50 funded account. So from $50 to $5 million, I have every user. I could care less what your money is. I want to know, can you use my software or not? So whether you have a $50 funded account or whether you have $5 million real account, to me, you're the same. because can you use the software or not? I don't care what your account balance is. That's the last thing, honestly, I worry about. Give me a second. Let me see if I'm in some sort of a trade here. हाँ नहीं बस अभी तो वहीं पर फंसी है, मैं देख रहा हूँ क्योंकि प्राइस जो है ना आपका मिड बैंड 30-20 का बिल्कुल सीधा जा रहा है, कोई प्राइस ऊपर नहीं जा रही, कोई वो 70 के इर्द गिर्द ना फंस गई है प्राइस, और ये वाली प्राइस 520 550 के अंदर फंस गई। ये गई थी 574 तक, तो या तो ये चली जाए ना 650 पे, या ये नीचे आ जाए कहीं 230 800 सॉरी 23,200 पे आ जाए, कहीं तो आए ना, अभी तो वो वहीं पर स्टक है। So what is you are going to do starting tonight, tomorrow, whenever you get time, log into SuperAreas.com, because if you are not able to come here, there will be times when there's 0 people here. Even I can't make it. I come from Orangeville. So we'll do a live stream. So you can log in, and right now you can hear. It starts around 9:30 officially, but 9:25 Daniel's brief starts to come in. So you can watch us, you can listen to us, you can talk to us. Now every mentor has their own WhatsApp number, right? Majid Bhai, if you're listening to his live stream, right now I'm doing a parallel stream for you, right? But Majid Bhai's inside has his own fan following that is following him over there. You can click and watch his stream. Tonight, hopefully, I will have Junaid Bhai's live stream going too. So right now, there are 3 Zoom sessions happening. There are 2 live streams happening, parallel. Soon, you can just pick and choose your flavor. Some super areas, if you log in and you and the left, you will see Zoom sessions. You will see quite a few other things that are there.
You need to know that if you can please let us know.
Yeah, it's all there. Like just log into SuperAreas.com, and if the first page, log in to your account. हम्म अच्छा ठीक है, मैं अभी आपका सेट करवा दूंगा। हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि वो सस्ता भी है और चलता भी है और टेस्ट भी कर लिया। नो, so you guys are able to see, right? On the left, you will see Zoom sessions, and then you will see like live stream, multiple live streams. No, just refresh, because this was already started. So you will see a live stream happening. Log in again. So on the left, you will see Zoom session. So come down on the left. Oh, on the left menu. Yeah. वो देखें सर, वो सारे लेफ्ट पे बने हुए हैं। हाँ जी, सारा मेन्यू। हाँ जी नहीं क्लिक करें ना इसमें, तो आपको 3 नजर आएंगे ना। देखें, हैप्पी के ऑफिस से, मेरे ऑफिस से, हाँ ये मैं हूँ, तो माजिद भाई कोई और है, मुर्ताज कोई और लड़का है, हैप्पी कोई और है। ये डिफरेंट मेंटोर्स डिफरेंट ट्रेड करवा रहे हैं और डिफरेंट एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं। तो इट्स लाइक ए टीवी स्टेशन, ये लाइव चल रहा है एवरी मॉर्निंग 9:30। कोई ऑन है कोई नहीं है, कई दफा तो।
आपसे एक बात,
हाँ जी
मैं आता हूँ सुबह 3 बजे 2:30 बजे घर,
हाँ जी
मिलने बड़ा मुश्किल है।
हाँ जी, नो प्रॉब्लम। सो उसका यही है कि आप वो सीख लें, ट्रेंड ट्रेड कर लें, ट्रेंड के ग्रीन टू बाय रेड टू सेल है बस। लेकिन ये लाइव सेशन आपको नहीं मिलेंगे इस तरह के, ना लाइव मिलेगा, ना फ्लोर मिलेगा, ना कोई सपोर्ट मिले। है जी नहीं, लेकिन रात की सुबह के 3 बजे तो कोई नहीं कर रहा, 9 बजे तो कर रहे। ठीक है,
यहाँ पे मुझे क्लास लेना मुश्किल हो जाएगा,
फिर आप लाइव इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। हाँ जी हाँ जी, कोई मसला नहीं।
अभी आप बोल रहे थे
ये सारा लाइव जा रहा है। मेरी स्ट्रीम पे क्लिक करेंगे नीचे, बल्कि वीडियो पे देखें ना, वो देखें आप, वो लिखा है मल्टी स्क्रीन लाइव स्ट्रीम पर मल्टी फ्लोर, क्लिक करें। यप ये देखें, ये मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम चल रही है। इसको ज्वाइन करना है। नहीं, आपने किधर किस पे क्लिक किया?
मैंने किया जी
आपको अभी लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा। अभी आप जूम पे ना करें, दूसरी लाइव स्ट्रीम जो वीडियो वाली है उस पर क्लिक कर लें। हाँ हाँ जी,
यहाँ पे
ये देखिए मल्टी स्ट्रीम।
मल्टी
ये देखें, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम चल रही है ना, इसको एक्स करें,
ज्वाइन कर लें।
हाँ जी। अब आप इसको अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं और आप अपना ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। हेलो जी,
और सब्सक्रिप्शन एक्सपायर
हाँ जी सर, इन्हों लॉग आउट करो
फ्रॉम
इतों ही वैब तो ते फिर दोबारा एक नवा अकाउंट बनाओ, बिल्कुल नवी ईमेल तो। हाँ, इधर लिखा है कि क्लिक गेट स्टार्टेड विद अ न्यू अकाउंट। कोई भी ईमेल फाड़ लो फिर हो जाएगा।
ओके, तो फिर अकाउंट
फिर 2 वीक हफ्ते बाद फिर जो निंजा च लॉग इन करोगे फिर नवी ईमेल तो करना।
किससे पूछे? माजिद सर से?
हाँ देखिए, अभी मैं आपको बताने लगा हूँ आगे करना क्या है। ठीक है, हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
पे आउट
ले लें, रिक्वेस्ट करें।
सो
1700
नेक्स्ट इज
$613 मिल सकते हैं।
नेक्स्ट
हाँ,
ओके सो 610
ठीक है, और रिक्वेस्ट
एंड हाउ सेट अप फॉर द
वाइज का जब ये अप्रूव हो जाएगा ना, they'll send you a link to get the payment, they'll send you a link।
सेट अप वाइज
अभी नहीं, पहले अप्रूवल आ जाए, वो फिर अगला स्टेप है जी।
आप इधर आया नहीं?
मैं अभी देख लेता हूँ।
सर वो रिन्यू करने के लिए
है जी,
गोल्ड रिन्यू करने के क्या?
गोल्ड को टूल्स में जाएं, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट में जाएं।
मैं तो अपना फ्लैग करने का ये जैसे राइट करने का
नहीं मैंने लगा था
ये बात करें रिजेक्शन की, जो भी
माजिद साहब
वो भी सही है। फिक्स करो
डेटाबेस में उसके बाद क्या करना?
रोल ओवर, ये देखिए ना, अब ये रोल ओवर आ रही है। ठीक है, चल रही है
चला नहीं मैंने।
आपका, इनका आप दोनों का चल गया, नो प्रॉब्लम।
ये फ्लैग
नहीं, आप जूम पे क्लिक करी जा रहे हैं।
नहीं मैं उधर गया था, वो मिस हो गया।
ऑडियो
ये आ गया।
ज्वाइन करने नहीं देगा।
क्या क्या दोबारा लॉगिन करें, आप एक्सपायर हो चुके थे, इसका लॉगिन एक्सपायर हो चुका था। आप एक्सपायर हो चुके थे। स्टॉक एट 72। हाँ जी, हो गया ना, हो गया। अब सिर्फ क्लोज करते हुए यस कर लीजिएगा एकदम। इसको भी शायद म्यूट कर दें, वो लूप हो रहा है बार बार।
नहीं बनी
शाम को 6 o'clock जो आप कहते हैं स्टार्ट हो उसमें भी कोई activity
नहीं नहीं कुछ भी नहीं, ये सिर्फ जो मॉर्निंग में सारे सेशंस आपको मिलेंगे 9:30 से 11-12, क्योंकि ये प्राइमरी टाइम है। तो इवनिंग में आपको नहीं नहीं, लेकिन वो आपको खुद से करना पड़ेगा। तो अगर आपने ट्रेड खोल लिया, ग्रीन टू बाय, रेड टू सेल, एरियाज है, हाँ एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली। हाँ अभी आपको वही दिखाना है। अब वो लेफ्ट में लिखा है ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी, ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी आप, हाँ वो सुपर एरियाज में लॉग इन करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड पे लिखा है ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी। ठीक है, over there and if you go at the bottom where it says Zoom special YouTube. See, okay, so in the inside Trading Academy you have Daniel's 4 lectures, 5 lectures that he has done. So agar aapne, if you don't want to wait for next like tomorrow, next Saturday his class number 1 will come. That's class 1. So what is available on the Trading Academy is you have 5x Daniel's videos. So you have the lecture 1 and then all the way to lecture 4. So every Saturday he does lecture 1, then Sunday lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4. You have 4 lectures, but sometimes you don't want to wait to understand it. So they're all recorded in 4K for you. You can log in and you can, it's the same thing that gets recorded. There's a bonus lecture called video number 5 if you're interested in learning some bonus topics about the software. That's Daniel's 4 lectures, 5. At the bottom, you will see something called YouTube material, resources. On the left, आपको एक menu change हो गया. You will see the new YouTube links and everything. So it's, sir, Trading Academy में गए, click करें ना Trading Academy. अब menu बदलेगा. You will see all the menu changed on the left side. It's no longer the same menu. Did you click Trading Academy? Okay, let's see. ये हो गया ना, एक सेकंड क्लिक करें, कर दिए, ओके ये ले हो गया, okay. So sorry, click here, sorry, access to software. So you have to click right here. It will change the menu on the left. Okay. See, now you have completely Daniel's sessions, books, PDFs. So you will see at the bottom YouTube tutorials, YouTube tutorial, YouTube tutorial, yes. So, beginner's guide on Ninja Trader 8.1. Need it up a bit my screen, like lots of stuff on here. Yeah, so you need them all. You should have them, because if you don't, then you miss a different. So another gap trade worked kind of a. It's a newer high 570. It's heading towards your R1, by the way, very close to R1. आप ninjatrader.com पे जाएंगे और न्यू साइन अप करेंगे दोबारा एक दफा, नहीं न्यू ईमेल से, एक नई ईमेल से। नहीं, आपको कोई याहू की ईमेल चाहिए, कोई कोई नया ईमेल भी तो बना लेना, नई ईमेल चाहिए, एक नया ईमेल एड्रेस बनाते रहें। यस, बिकॉज डेमो फ्री का 14 डेज चलता है ना, तो आप गूगल पे बनाते रहें, याहू पे बना लें, प्रोटॉन पे बना लें। तो आप अगर आपको फ्री ईमेल ये चाहिए निंजा का, तो इट्स गुड फॉर एवरी 2 वीक्स। डेमो फ्री है ना, वरना आपको फीस पड़ जाएगी महीने की $20-25। तो अगर आपने फ्री में ये काम करना है, जब तक आप सीख नहीं लेते, नहीं वो 14 दिन बाद एक्सपायर हो जाता है, वरना आपको $20-25-30 पे करने पड़ेंगे। तो दैट्स द की। तो क्योंकि हम आपको बिगिनिंग में बिल्कुल फ्री करवा रहे हैं, तो आपका डेमो सिर्फ 14 दिन चलता है, एक्सपायर हो जाता है। ये निंजा की बात कर रहा हूँ, फिर 14 दिन चलेगा, फिर एक्सपायर होगा, फिर आपको एक नई नई ईमेलें बनाते रहे, abc123@gmail.com, इस तरह सारा बना सकते। All right, we're heading into R1 slowly now. The market has gone up. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। अगर वो जनरली सेफ हो जाते हैं, अगर हाँ एग्जैक्टली कि मीनिंग कि अगर ऊपर से 4.75 मिड बैंड के नीचे गिर रहा है तो कई दफा वो रिस्की हो जाते हैं। वो एक एक्स्ट्रा हमने वो एक फीचर लगाया हुआ था, लेकिन आप रूल सेम है सर, ग्रीन मिड बैंड से ही बाय करना है। लेकिन ब्लैक, हाँ अगर खाली ब्लैक कैंडल फंस जाएंगे, मैं आपको बार बार कह रहा हूँ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, नहीं वो फिर भी 3 कैंडल रिजेक्शन ही करें, वो ज्यादा से वो क्योंकि अगेन वो आपसे ना वो गलती हो गई है ना उसमें, अगर तो वो ब्लैक कैंडल इज गोइंग टू गेट कॉस्टली। यस यस यस, मैं सिर्फ मुझे कोई मसला नहीं है, आप करें जरूर, लेकिन स्टेटिस्टिकली उसके स्टैट्स कम है। So area is 90%, right? So we want to give you boost. बेशक नहीं हो, इसका मतलब है बिजली के करंट जरूर उंगल देनी है, ताकि अभी करंट लगेगा ना तो पता कि आप कहेंगे वो थोड़ा सा वेट कर लें R2 का। नहीं नहीं, ये हमारा हम कैंडल बेस नहीं करते, प्राइस एक्शन बेस करते हैं हम लोग, टाइम बेस करते ही नहीं है कुछ। नहीं नहीं, हम टाइम बेस्ड नहीं है ना, 1 मिनट ना 2 ना 5 ना 10, हम प्राइस एक्शन बेस करते हैं। प्राइस एक्शन में टाइम नहीं होता, तो ये जो आप चार्ट्स देख रहे हैं ये प्राइस एक्शन है, टाइम नहीं है। रिजेक्शन में फोर्थ, थर्ड कैंडल की रिजेक्शन में फोर्स 4 टिक्स की तो हो जाती है, 4 टिक्स तो मिल रहे हैं। एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली, आज में अभी तो डेड पड़ा है। तो आप लोगों ने जाके देखनी है बिगिनर्स गाइड ऑन निंजा। सो गो टू ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी, क्लिक ऑन द एक्सेस सॉफ्टवेयर, go to the YouTube and then watch it. So let me log in and show it to you guys right here. Let's watch it live.
ये जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है,
हाँ जी, ग्रुप नहीं है कोई, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, व्हाट्सएप का कोई ग्रुप नहीं है।
यहाँ पे
नहीं, वो टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप है, व्हाट्सएप का कुछ भी नहीं है। क्योंकि टेलीग्राम व्हाट्सएप में ये प्रॉब्लम है, आपका ईमेल भी चला जाता है, फोन नंबर भी, सारों को सब कुछ पता लग जाता है। वी डोंट हैव ए व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। नहीं, ये व्हाट्सएप सपोर्ट का नंबर है, सपोर्ट आप कुछ कॉल करेंगे, ये ग्रुप नहीं है। ये तो अगर आपने, हाँ ये सपोर्ट के लिए, टेक्स्ट के लिए तो टेलीग्राम मैसेंजर है, उसमें आपके अलर्ट्स आते हैं कि प्राइस इस लेवल पे पहुंच रही है।
ये जो आपने नंबर दिया था राफे आपका,
हाँ जी हाँ जी, देखें 2 चीजें मिक्स हो रही हैं। वो सिग्नल मांग रहे हैं हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर का, कि सिग्नल आते हैं हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर के, वो एडवांस यूजर के लिए हैं। जो ये जो नंबर आपको दिया है, अगर डैनियल से रब्ता ना हो पाए, अगर वो आपको हेल्प ना कर सके और आफ्टर आवर आपने कहीं से क्वेश्चन पूछना है, तो आप इस पे भेज सकते हैं। ये है व्हाट्सएप, ये व्हाट्सएप है। टेलीग्राम एडवांस यूजर्स के लिए है, कि अगर आपको पता लग जाए कि ट्रेड एरिया पे कैसे करना है, तो ये उनके लिए है। वो अभी के लिए नहीं है, एक्सेस होगी, अभी नहीं, फ्री है, रिजेक्शन फ्री है।
ये निंजा का जो है वो डैनियल सा कह रहे हैं कि 1000 में वो लाइफ टाइम,
नहीं 1000 में लाइफ टाइम नहीं, दैट आई डोंट नो लाइफ। वो कमीशन रेट कम करते हैं और तो कुछ नहीं।
वो लाइफ टाइम क्या कह रहे थे कि वो अगर जगह आपने पे करते हो
ये जो लिखा हो ना, ये सबसे आखिर में लाइफ टाइम नीड्स टू ओन ऑप्शन, वो ये हैज।
All right, we're inside 580 zone. Friday high is 650. Let's see if it tests Friday high. Very close to 585. That's the number.
इस पे आप अलर्ट हुए आएंगे जैसे आप बता रहे थे अभी।
सिग्नल्स के लिए आपको टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना, अगर ज्वाइन अभी भी कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन वो तो सच है, मैं R2 ले रहा हूँ, R1 नहीं ले रहा, तो but its price is coming inside R1 now. अभी zigzag करते करते R1 पे ले ही गए हैं. There you go. We're now officially inside R1, guys. Very soon.
जो आप लाइव आते हैं मल्टी फ्लोर स्क्रीन के ऊपर आते
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. वहां पर वेरी सुन 7 हो जाएंगे फ्लोर्स. अभी तो 2 तरफ नजर आ रहे हैं, माजिद भाई का फ्लोर और मेरा फ्लोर. मैंने सिर्फ आपको बताना है कि लॉग इन करके आपने वीडियोस कौन सी देखनी है, तो जब आप आए तो let me double check. My SuperAreas is now working. So Trading Academy, log in to that course. YouTube Ninja Trader Beginner Guide. ये प्लीज देख लें, ये that will help you a lot. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. सर आप माजिद भाई के साथ बैठे हैं Day 1, तो उनके साथ बैठते हुए उनको जब वो आपको कहें बाय करना है, सेल करना है, ये है, तो आपको पहला 1 वीक इसके उनके साथ लगाना है. हाँ, तो जब आपको बाय एंड सेल आ गया, फिर हम आपको एक फंडेड एग्जाम में डालेंगे. ठीक है, आपका ट्रू एग्जाम होता है. एग्जाम होता है कि क्या आपको पैसे बनाने आ गए हैं कि नहीं. देखिए एंड में होगा कि आपने ऐसा ना हो कि आपने पैसे डालनी है. सॉरी, आई विल स्विच दिस इन इंग्लिश. So when you're done 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you're comfortable. You can have the discipline of going in, understanding the news. You know what to buy, when to buy, all of that. You will never go in with your own money first. Yes, you can take 100,000, take it to a broker and say, I want to open a futures account, but that's not recommended. Recommendation is you will take a $50 account and they will give you a balance of $2,000 or maybe $1,000. They will hire you as a contractor, and if you can pass their challenge, the challenge is turn $1,500 to $3,000. That's it. If you're able to do that, you're a good trader. So once you can prove to them that, then you will go ahead and start putting your own money. But at least for 3 months, you're not going to put your own money at all. So first you're doing demo. This has a demo of $50,000 fake account. That's simulation, paper trading. That moves into a funded account. Funded account costs somewhere around anywhere from $15 to $100 maximum. They will give you a challenge. Challenge is, are you able to trade? Are you able to understand trading? Because again, today, if I say, all right, you are good to go, you know how to buy, how to sell, go open a bank account. And the moment you open that account and things go wrong, you're not going to trade again. You're going to say, this is too risky for me. So we're going to put you into some funded exams. They're not written, what is MACDs, what is this? They have a balance. Make sure you don't blow the account. That's all there is to it. There's nothing else. So ये करना है जी हमने. ये at least 3 weeks into system आएगा अभी. Yeah, so watch the video. So when you go home today, tomorrow, the next day, whenever you watch this Ninja Trader Beginner's Guide, how to buy, how to sell. So, sorry? Yeah. So you have to get you a new account. So that's number 1. Number 2 is, if you can sit down with Majid Bhai in the first office for a week, that will give you an idea on how to trade basics, very basic. Some users are good. They can learn self-study. Some people need mentorship on top of it. So the day you decide that, okay, I know how to buy, I know how to sell, let's finish this. So we will sign you up in a funded account. Not right now. बस यही है. हाँ कर लें absolutely. That okay, what's your next step and everything.
आज इतना जी बस चलो यार
हाँ बस यही है, that's it sir.
चलो तो अगर कल से अगर टाइम हुआ तो आ जाएंगे, वरना फिर मैं ऑनलाइन ही चला जाऊँ.
Yes.
It comes to the area.
Yeah, it's getting to, we're inside the zone soon. So the R1, we are inside R1 right now of NASDAQ. Officially R1 is done. अब कनेक्ट करें ना, वो नीचे जाके कनेक्शन में कनेक्ट करें अभी आप. Area is done officially from R1, from 590 to 578. We can mark R1 done on NASDAQ. One more time, trying to test it. So let's see. So 10:45 to 11:15 is the reversal. Let's see if it reverses from here. We are at 77.25. So where are we in terms of area? It's not inside R1 yet. So what's the price difference today? 15 to 6. 15 divided by 6, almost 2.5.
ठीक है जी, थैंक यू सो
No
मच.
problem जी, best of luck.
सेम इसी टाइम आपका
Sir,
स्टार्ट होगा 9:30.
ऑफिस खुल जाता है 8:30.
नहीं आपका
मैं 9:15. हाँ जी. No problem. All right, we're inside. Market is back up 20 points from 23,445 is the low, and high is 23,587. 23,445. 23,587. Another rejection of R1.
this one.
No problem.
Friday वाले में तो निकल
हाँ हाँ
वो भाई
470 पे आई नहीं, 570 तक आई.
सब लॉस लेके निकल
हाँ
समझ तो आपने आप ही लिया था।
सॉरी,
तब आपने लिया
मेरा समर कहाँ ऑफ होना है.
2 वीक आपने लिए थे
बस अभी सब विंटर लेंगे ऑफ. दैट्स इन 593 today starts to make today. So today's high is 610 actually. Went to 610 and came down. And our area was 610. Let me set up live streams.
इस वो
बहुत डेड है सर, कोई न्यूज़ नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं. तो आज तो मार्केट मोमेंटम नहीं. हाँ, क्योंकि वो फिर बंदा गलत ट्रेड में ना फंस जाए.
ध्यान नहीं है कि आप कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ेगा।
कर ही नहीं रहे
अभी देखते हैं, अभी तो
सीख लेंगे कोई
12 बजे वाली कैंडल है यूरोप की, अभी टाइम.
Research sheet tomorrow.
ओके जी, चेक कल में इतनी वॉलेटिलिटी देख देख के ना इतना स्लो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
आदत होगी, आदत से खराब है।
पहले कई बार हो सकता है ये रेगुलर हो
ओए,
तो हमें पता है कि चीजें स्लो हो ना तो जान बुझ के बैठना का फिर ब्रेन की एक्सरसाइज हो, ट्रेनिंग हो, पंगा नहीं हो। स्क्रीन को फिर भी देखो बड़ा हाथ नहीं चला।
ऐसे ही बंदा अन जानने में रिस्क ले लेता है.
मैंने बड़े कौन खराब किए
Oh my God. Okay. नहीं, अगर आपने लॉग इन करें टेक्स्ट में नहीं लॉग इन करें.
ज्यादा हो
चलो बात कर लिया
बहुत ज्यादा.
हाँ तो सेटअप कर लेकिन गो टू उसके बाद सुपर एरियाज है ये स्कैन नहीं खोले हैं टिकट टिकट आपको हाँ इसमें प्लस किया ये प्लस ये स्कैन ओके नीचे बस स्कैन क्यूआर कोड ये स्कैन करें ठीक है अब ये नंबर इधर डालेंगे 155635
ये राफे
हाँ जी
ये मीटिंग में कनेक्ट हो रहा
हाँ जी गो टू
है ना
वो तो सुबह आती है डैनियल की 5 मिनट आके चला जाता है
उनकी फिर भी मैं 2-3 रोज से
सुबह सुबह देखिएगा सुबह जब वो बोल रहे होते हैं उस वक्त आती है बस
अच्छा उसके
और
बाद
बस खत्म हो जाती है
अगर आपको सुनना
तो मेरी तो बाद में आएगी ना मेरी तो लाइव में आएगी मेरी लाइव में आती है एवरी टाइम का हाँ जी अब आपका हो गया हाँ जी नो प्रॉब्लम ले गए प्रेशर डाउन था बेस डाउन थी फिर भी ऊपर ही ले गए
Stay more, make more.
हेलो जी patient testing name. Short 6 short. Yeah. I have seen the $25, and then I was driving. Didn't,
Why were you driving and trading? It's dangerous. Oh my God.
No, I did turn it on when at home. Oh, like, this is okay.
Thank you.
No, yes.
Yes.
You still have it. Yeah, you get
Your personal account?
no funded.
Funded. Oh. Ask him, he'll tell you. You didn't ask him?
No, he didn't.
No, ask him. He'll tell you to, he's the master of it. To average and
Average? Okay.
yeah, ask him.
And going up and up and up. And
Yeah, no, so he will tell you where to average, where to exit. Like,
A
is it worth
card.
waiting or not?
one order. Yeah.
Is that a real account or?
No, funded.
Funded. Yeah. So,
Oh, okay.
if it's stuck only CPS.
So I have stuck on funded.
Mm-hmm.
600.
You're short from where?
From
Oh, Steve, what reason? I don't know the reason.
He was driving and he was
Oh,
so dangerous.
hopefully that's all I can say. That's why they say if you we change.
Go home. Finish it.
Yeah.
It's the discipline, you know?
आज पहले ही बंद नहीं कुछ है ही नहीं हो ही नहीं रहा It's pretty dead. नहीं मैंने कहा फिर लोगों की लाइव स्ट्रीम सेट कर दूं ना तो that's something that least to do. आज तो किसी भी फ्लोर का भी नहीं चला नहीं उधर मुझे उन्होंने पहला मिड बैंड ले लिया ये दूसरा 3 पॉइंट उधर निकाले माजिद भाई ने 2 निकाले कुछ SRES में ब्लैक कैंडल में निकाले एक मिनट बैठ तो आपके साथ मैंने लिया हाँ मैं जल्दी निकल गया बस ठीक है
Sir, 7 o'clock mid-band अच्छी जगह.
वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग प्री मॉर्निंग आज सुबह 7 o'clock
हाँ, जो सुबह 7 बजे.
नहीं वो क्यों करते जनरली दोनों अलग अलग है उसकी तो दूसरी नहीं उसको डुप्लीकेट करें नीचे से जाएं डुप्लीकेट चार्ट पे क्लिक करें डुप्लीकेट एक तो दिन पहले ऐसे के चार डुप्लीकेट करें नीचे चार्ट को ये इसका यस हाँ तो इसको राइट क्लिक और डुप्लीकेट करें यहाँ ये लिखा चाहिए आप उसको ट्रेल करते हैं
या मेरे को नजर आ रहा है भाई क्योंकि वहाँ जाकर रुक गई ना तो जितना प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है उसको लो बड़ा लाल इतना गया और लिया गया
न्यू टैब न्यू टैब आप इसका कलर ऊपर चेंज कर दें ये रेड है ना यस रेड है तो इसको गोल्ड कर दें तो फिर आपका वो चलता है
सर वो फिर नाची बॉक्सेस जो नहीं वो ब्लैक कैंडल से ज्यादा बेहतर चलती है
जो आपको इजी लगे जो हर एक की प्रेफरेंस है किसी को कुछ सूट करते हैं आप आ जाती है ना कौन सा आपको ज्यादा इजी लगता है वो करें और जो बार बार करें ग्रीन बॉक्स रेड बॉक्स
उसकी साइज में डिपेंड नहीं होता
नहीं 15 टन का साइज डिफरेंट होगा 30
नहीं वो जो बॉक्स का
वो तो हर स्विंग पे आएगा स्विंग के साइज पर डिपेंड करता है कई दफा जितनी बड़ी स्विंग होगी उतने स्ट्रॉन्ग डब्बे आएंगे
तो डब्बे के अंदर से लेना भी है डब्बे के
मैं तो एज से बिल्कुल एज से नीचे बस रेड के बिल्कुल एज से ताकि मेरा स्टॉप लॉस कम है ना अगर वो निकल गई तो अगर आप मिडल से ले लें और वो नीचे आ जाए तो उसमें आपने कितना 2 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस
8
नहीं 8 टिक्स और प्रॉफिट 4
50-50
यस नहीं हाँ एग्जैक्टली दोनों पे नहीं ऊपर कलर चेंज कर तब तक कलर
अब इसको जीसी जाके कर लें, अब गोल्ड कर लें जाके।
गोल्ड किया जीसी कहाँ से करना है?
एनक्यू का अलर्ट नहीं आया, देखते हैं जी एनक्यू का अलर्ट क्यों नहीं आया। एनक्यू का अलर्ट क्यों नहीं आया? दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन।
It might go up to here, 64 million. Let's start.
Let's see 12 o'clock candle, maybe. Slowly ring के base down, pressure down, फिर भी ऊपर लेंगे. So Friday high test शायद कर सकते हैं, which is 650. लेकिन now it sent an alert too late. Dead. Sorry, I'm moving in and out to set up other streams in other offices. So,
कोई भी नहीं देख पा रहा।
नहीं देख रहे हैं, ये समझ नहीं आई आपका क्वेश्चन।
नहीं बाकी स्ट्रीम्स
वो तो चल रही है ना, अभी सिर्फ एक चल रही है अभी। हाँ अभी
यूट्यूब पे पड़ा हुआ 3 मिनट।
हाँ वो देखिए जो होती है वो रिकॉर्ड हो जाती है ना, तो जाके बाद में सेशन में रिकॉर्ड हो जाती है।
इन सब क्यों?
हाँ जी,
जस्ट टू गेट मोर आइडिया।
हाँ कि वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं। तो 7 की 7 स्ट्रीमें रिकॉर्ड होंगी। प्राइमरली मेरा काम फंडेड को एक्सप्लेन करने का रह जाएगा, ट्रेड नहीं करो। और
जैसे
उनके वेरी स्पेसिफिक्स है ना,
इनका $100 आपका जो है स्पेसिफिक
ये मैं तो एरिया देखते हैं गिरती है कि नहीं।
बार में फंसी।
सर ये जो ना एरिया की टूवर्ड्स जाती है जब,
हाँ
तो वो
जा रहे मिड बैंड से ही लेना है ना, मिड बैंड से बाइंग तो मिड बैंड से होगी आपकी।
you know see how it's going towards the area.
हाँ तो आप जितने पीछे वाले मिड बैंड थे ग्रीन बाय कर ही जाती तो एरिया की तरफ ही जा रही है ना।
कितने पॉइंट्स पहले बेटर रहेगी?
वो तो जब एक एरिया तोड़ गई और ऊपर की तरफ निकल गई कैंडल ब्लैक, तो अब ऊपर जाएगी। ब्लैक कैंडल टू द अप साइड आई तो एरिया के ऊपर तरफ जाएगी, ब्लैक उधर से नीचे आई तो।
जैसे मिसाल में दे दूं आपके पास में समझ आएगी भाई, ये जो जैसे एक एरिया इसका है और इसमें ऊपर की हुई है।
अभी तो वो R1 की तरफ जाने की कोशिश कर रही है, R1 पे भी नहीं आज हो सके।
80 से अभी पहुंच रहे 69 पे जब थी, तो हमें पता लगा था ये ऊपर ही जाएगी क्योंकि एरिया की तरफ कहाँ से
मिड बैंड से।
मिड बैंड की प्राइस तो बहुत नीचे है।
ठीक है, लेकिन अभी आप कौन से एरिया की बात कर रही हैं? मैं ES की या NASDAQ की, ये किसकी? ES का आपके पास मिड बैंड 2 आए
अभी एक आ रहा है इसका।
हाँ
दोनों हायर हाई से आ रहे हैं।
जैसे अभी भी एरिया की तरफ जा रही है।
हाँ तो आपका मिड बैंड बनता है टेक्निकली,
मगर जैसे अभी 74 की तरफ गई थी, वो भी एरिया की तरफ ही था, पता कैसे लगा कहाँ से बाय करेंगे? तो इसमें मिड बैंड से करेंगे।
मिड बैंड बाइंग आपकी मिड बैंड से ही हो रही है। एरिया में जिस तरह
कभी नहीं इतनी तेज दिखाता है कि मिड बैंड तक नीचे आता ही नहीं है। Don't do it then.
Correct.
Okay.
Doctor, why yes meaning तो बिग से कुछ बाई एडवीसी को
नहीं देखें, आपको रूल क्या बताया गया, ग्रीन टू बाय रेड टू सेल, तो जा सकती है। देखें अब कम हो जाती है, कम पॉसिबिलिटी कम हो जाती है जब हायर हाइज बनने अब देखें इस पे रुकती है कि नहीं, ग्रीन में रुकती है, ब्लू में रुकती है, मिड बैंड पे रुकती है, तीन चीजें आ रही हैं यहाँ से। ठीक है, देखें अब वो ब्लू के अंदर से ही वापस जा रहा है। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस एंड आल्सो लुक एट 30-20
क्या लगाएं, मिड बैंड लगाएं कि
100% ग्रीन है। तीन आपके पास चॉइसेस हैं, चार। पहला चॉइस है ग्रीन बॉक्स, दूसरा चॉइस है मिड लाइन, तीसरा चॉइस है ग्रीन बॉक्स, चौथा चॉइस है 30-20 का मिड बैंड। चार चॉइसेस हैं आपके पास, एनी गिवन टू बाय।
डिसाइड किस उस पे करें,
जो आपका दिल करता है। हाँ,
मैं लॉस नहीं लेना चाहता।
फिर आप वो 3 कैंडल का वेट करें, बस आप ये मिड बैंड छोड़ दें, ठीक है, इट्स ओके।
इफ यू टेक इट मिड बैंड, उसको क्रश करके until it reaches green,
यस,
your mid band
इज गॉन।
stop loss is hit already,
तो फिर आप अगर या तो आप ग्रीन पे बैठे ना, फिब के बॉक्स बिल्कुल एंड पे,
वहां पे आएगा ही
फिर आप रहने दिया, फिर देखें। ऐसी बात। अच्छा, पीछे वाला मिड बैंड कैसे चल गए?
जो आपने मैंने
हाँ,
आपके साथ एक लिया था,
हाँ,
वो चल गया।
लेकिन क्यों चले फिर अगर नहीं देखें 1055 वाला मिड बैंड फिर क्यों नहीं बैठे?
पता लगता है कौन ले रहा है।
हम सोचने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगा देते हैं, माइक्रोसेकंड की बात है।
अब वो देखें, वो आई ऑलमोस्ट ग्रीन बॉक्स से और 2 पॉइंट दे गई आपको।
बट सर आउट ऑफ टेक्निक है।
ठीक है, वो आपका मिड बैंड पे नहीं आई प्राइस।
उसकी बिल्कुल एज पे जहाँ ब्लू बॉक्स एज नहीं लाइन।
आप तो ग्रीन का रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन अब मैं आपको अगली एनालिसिस कहूँ कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं नैस्डैक करता हूँ ना, नैस्डैक R1 से अगर रिट्रेस होनी शुरू हो गई 12 बजे, ये सारे मिड बैंड फेल हो जाने आपके ग्रीन वाले। बेस डाउन है, प्रेशर डाउन है, तो आपको हर मिड बैंड नहीं लेना, पहला वाला लेना। पहले की आपकी हाईएस्ट एक्यूरेसी है, फर्स्ट पुल बैक ऊपर जाने के लिए।
बड़े चार्ट में वो हायर
नहीं बनाएगा, नहीं बड़े चार्ट का तो वो डिफरेंट, उसका सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड कलर देखता हूँ मैं।
वो तो भी सब
हाँ, देखें उसने 6 और 7 लगाया। लेट्स सी कि अगर ये R2 की तरफ जाती है या आपका ऑलमोस्ट 162 पॉइंट वापस चलेगी 455 से अभी तक बैठे हुए 610 लगाए। सो 1140 है वो। लेट्स सी व्हेन डज इट still 20 minutes to go before उठ गया तो फिर ये ना कहिएगा भाई सो जा वापस। क्योंकि वो आ जाता है तो फिर थोड़ा सा रिस्क और बढ़ जाता है।
No, I mean if you go whatever like yeah, go with the trend basically. Trend is up now.
वो आप एक स्टूडेंट का बता रहे थे वो लास्ट वीक, वो मिड बैंड से उन्होंने किया, वो है आप इस पे या उस आप शेयर कर सकते?
मैं आपको उसका इमेज भेज सकता हूँ जो मुझे। हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम। 30-20 का हर मिड बैंड लिया उन्होंने। 4 टेक्स एंड 12 का स्टॉप लॉस।
अच्छा 8 में नहीं करना।
That's very safe, you know. It's safe.
अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ 30-20 के लिए ना मैंने लगाया हुआ है।
सर जैसे ये देखें आप 30-20 के चार्ट में देखें अगर अगर हम मिड बैंड पे वही डाउन लेते
नो इट विल कम
तो हमारा नुकसान होता ना इसमें मैं क्या बात
नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं, मिनी मिड बैंड आई नहीं।
नहीं सर पीछे 9:30 बजे
देखिए
9 बज के
एक सेकंड मुझे टाइम निकालने दें। डेड मार्केट
बेंगलुरु के नाम में डर लग रहा है
दिस वन
मैं निकाल रहा हूँ एक सेकंड। एक सेकंड पहला मिड बैंड आपका जो परफेक्ट चला हायर हाई से 942 पे था, वो आपने लिया। नहीं 1510 में जो एग्जैक्टली 930 पे आया ना वो मैंने नहीं लिया।
नहीं सर 30-20 का मिड बैंड
नहीं 3020 का मिड बैंड
ये जो ना
किस टाइम पे, टाइम बताएं।
ये टाइम किससे पता लगता है 9:31
देखिए ऐसा मुझे ये पता है कि एग्जैक्टली 938 पे SRES आया था, लोअर लो लोअर हाई हायर लो और ऊपर शूट कर गया।
इसी ये वन ये है ना तभी इसको नहीं
नहीं मिड बैंड तो वही बनता है लेकिन वापस चला गया, लेकिन फेल नहीं हुआ। आपने ग्रीन सेल करना था, बाय करना सेल करना था ना
या
सेल। ये वाला मिड बैंड एग्जैक्टली 930 पे 3020 वाला फेल हुआ है।
पर आई नीड टू सी कि उसने एक टिक्स दिया है कि नहीं पहले उसके अंदर, क्योंकि मैं ये देख रहा हूँ लोअर लो लगा, लोअर हाई लगा, फिर लगा हायर लो एंड देन इट शॉट अप।
या वो आ रही है प्लेस ये ट्रेस और एक्सटेंशन लंबे से
अभी देखें मिड बैंड पिक हुआ किसी का
30-20 में
नहीं, अच्छा 15
तो इसको कैसे अवॉइड कर सकते हैं अगर ऐसा हो, क्योंकि देखिए सब कुछ फेवर मानी जा रहा है।
नहीं देखें कोई देयर इज नथिंग 100%, नथिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि उसने उसने नहीं कुछ, ऑलवेज फिर आपके स्टॉप लॉस इसी काम के लिए आ रहे हैं ना। अब देखिए वो R1 के अंदर फंस गई है प्राइस नैस्डैक की। नैस्डैक उतरेगी तो आपका ES उतरना है वरना नहीं उतरना। अब आप दुआ करें नैस्डैक 500 पे आ जाए, आई तो 5 फर्स्ट टाइम पिवट्स तक आ सकती है 560 तक। अब देखें मिड बैंड पे एग्जैक्ट आई 1510 पे और चली गई।
एनक्यू की बात करें
ES की 1510 के मिड बैंड जिसने रिस्क लिया उसने 2 पॉइंट ले लिए, डन हो गया। तो फिर हमारा मिड बैंड हाँ आगे आगे चला गया, राइट। So it's all about risk to reward. The ones you want to take, you forget to take and then passes. The one you take, that fails, right? So this is 100% within. नहीं सर, नहीं वो तो टेस्ट हो चुकी है सपोर्ट, अब वो सपोर्ट को तोड़ सकता है क्योंकि हाँ
फर्स्ट टाइम वेट करें उस वक्त
बातें करते रहेंगे इसमें डिस्कशन।
got a point out of 1510. Somebody did. Waiting for NASDAQ 650.
ES फेवरेट नहीं
ES है मेरे फेवरेट है, SRES फेवरेट है। उसके बाद मिड में कम ले रहा हूँ।
मिड में मैंने भी एक वीक से छोड़ दिया, लड़ाई हुई
जिन्होंने लिया अभी $50 दे के मैसेज में आने शुरू हो गया, ले गए जी, डन हो गया।
अच्छा
अब देखें, so it's all about, it doesn't change the fact that like that's still a trade type.
बट देखिए अभी ग्रीन है और ये अपना फेब
हाँ
1510 में तो वहीं पे ये 30-20 वाला
असल में प्राइस में आज है नहीं है, जान नहीं है, like there's nothing really happening. 10 o'clock home news sales, just double check.
आज मार्केट ने लॉन्ग वीकेंड कर दिया।
No, actually, like the new home sales more than expected, right? More than lower than previous, but more than forecast. Tomorrow is durable goods and consumer confidence. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock should be rough. क्योंकि ऐसी मार्केट में चॉपी मार्केट है, घुस के ना बंदा फंस जाता है ट्रेड के अंदर.
आपका सब कुछ ठीक होते भी आपका
हाँ,
गिर जाएगा.
यस यस. ये देखिए एक ही कैंडल पे वो फंस गई है, राइट.
सिर्फ 12 बजे वाली कैंडल में हम क्या आगे देखें?
सिर्फ यूरोप बंद होता है कि अगर कोई मेजर है तो देखें 1 आवर कैंडल है, 4 आवर कैंडल है. दैट्स अ बिग कैंडल, मीनिंग 240 का चार्ट इम्पैक्ट होगा. 1 hour, so anybody who's trading candles, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour and 4 hours, these are the 4 types. So 12 सुबह के 8 बजे, 12 बजे, फिर 4 बजे, तो ये फिर 4 घंटे वाली इंपॉर्टेंट है. और जिसने 1 आवर देखना है वो फिर 12 मिनट वेट कर रहा है. So let's see.
जिस डेट का मार्केट है,
हाँ हाँ कुछ ना, क्योंकि यूरोप बंद हो रहा है, पीपल आर गेटिंग ऑफ देयर, लाइक देखें न्यूज़ नहीं है, वॉल्यूम कम है. हमारा खुद फ्लोर अभी 50% से कम आए नहीं है, राइट. नहीं आए, कुछ हो नहीं रहा, मार्केट नहीं मूव हो रही, ट्रेडर ही नहीं है तो प्राइस ने कैसे मूव होना है.
So FX, like how many days can do often like when you
Payout, you can 8 more days of trading. Every payout is 8 more. So today when they will send you this money, then you will trade 8 more days for the next payout. And now your account will just keep going
they
into
have to be like more than
$50. They have a limit, minimum $50 to make it.
so have to we go like after like 2600 something?
No, just keep making another 1500 and withdrawing it. Yeah, no problem.
So right now I have like 26,000, right?
So
26,
you have 2600, you took out 500, 600. If you next 8 days make $50 each, you should make in 8 days at least $75 each. So 75 times 8, then take another $500 out. So every 8 days you can now take $500. No problem.
पहला पहला payout दो रखा.
हाँ पहला आज इनका आ गया ना, पहला इनका $500 आ रहा है. So he turned the 15 into 20.
yeah, I have blown out all my
Don't feel bad. You don't know.
I think by the time fourth, right? Fourth, you're testing this fourth
yeah,
PM.
more no.
No, this is I see number 4 payout.
Oh,
The PA number 4. Finally got some money out of them.
lost recovered actually. I have lost.
देखिए वो एक ही कैंडल पे नीचे आती है, ऊपर चली जाती है ये. Because NASDAQ wants to not go, went down from 585 back to 603. So when that went back up, your ES went back up as well. There you go, 608, 610. Let's see if it breaks your R1 now.
एक मिनट में निकल गया.
Oh, yes.
R1 to R2 का नहीं लेंगे in between.
Sorry? नहीं R2 बनेगा ना आपका 650।
आप R1 के
मैं R1 नहीं ले रहा,
R1 के ऊपर नहीं लेंगे जाते जाते।
मैं एक साइड का ट्रेड लेता हूँ काउंटर बस।
ओके,
अब यहाँ पर लोअर हाई बना देना, देयर यू गो अगेन। आपने कहा था ना एरिया की तरफ जा रही है, तो ये मिड बैंड के एरिया बनता ना। लेट्स सी।
इसका चला होगा नहीं।
हाँ चला गया पूरा मिड बैंड, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट भी चल गई। Green to buy, and it's going back up. There you go. It has broken 612, 614. I think it should go get up to 650, 660, and then come down.
ये तो शिकार ही नहीं होगा ब्लैक रिजेक्शन।
हाँ आज वो आई नहीं, उन्होंने कहा एटीएम इन्होंने बना ली है।
ये सुनते हैं वाले बात। कोई नहीं, चल फेल हो जाते हैं इसमें।
All right, 7 more minutes and I'll call it a day and still wait for R2. So it went from 445 to 612, 614. I think we got a new one, 615. It's almost 171 points back up.
ब्लूमॉक्स का भी मिनिमम बंदा है $850 बना।
नहीं बुलनॉक्स का कुछ भी नहीं है रोल
और जितना मर्जी थोड़ा बहुत बना।
है, जितना मर्जी बना लो।
ये टारगेट बहुत स्टीप है। 3000 पहले से 4000।
25,000 में आपको 1500 है। 1500
नहीं नहीं, मैंने लिया था, मेरा एक खराब 1500 मैंने बना लिया था।
और सर कैसा गया जी फ्लोर आप? ठीक है,
आज के जितना खास नहीं
सारे यही कह रहे हैं, हर ये प्राइस में मूवमेंट ही नहीं है।
जैसे ठीक है जैसे
अब खत्म कर दिया लाइन आपका डन।
इनका लाइव डन हो गया।
आपका भी डन हो गया नहीं?
हाँ बस मैं पूरे 6 मिनट और।
नो सिग्नल तो वो आ रहा है।
नहीं वो तो मेरा ख्याल है अगर कोई बता दे, मेरा ये खराब हो जाता है।
अच्छा
और उसको मुझे डिस्कनेक्ट करना होता है।
ओके।
616 लगाया या 5 more minutes before the black candle, the 4-hour candle goes, and then I will go offline.
Went down.
Stuck. So different about
Your micro, one micro? No, yes. Oh, yes. 1 minute.
that. अभी तो सीधा नेगेटिव है.
Oh, 70%.
$64.80 minus 8 minus 64.80 minus 4.75. Let's see. At 75.25, does it take me?
इसका
SRES है ना? So 1510 में SRES बना हुआ है. You have a higher high, you have a higher low.
Yes.
Yes, man. So hope
Buy लगा दिया.
sell stop.
Sell.
Sell stop. Sell stop. 64.80 minus 4.75. Black candle बनेगी ना 64.80 minus 4.75.
36.
नहीं सर नहीं
80,
सर
75.
75.25 बनता है. तो वहां से ब्लैक कैंडल बन सकती है नीचे की तरफ. So I'm trying to pick my first trade to see what happens next.
75, 25.
75.21 25. If the price goes in the down, I want it to take me with. Like, just if you're going down, take me with you. But until, if it makes a higher high, then nothing, because then SRES is
75.
75.25 is the sell stop order. But one more take and you will have a double top. Then you can take a divergence trade, because double top होगी, strength ऊपर नहीं गई. तो वही एक टेक ऊपर ले जाऊंगा ना उठा के नीचे के लिए एक टेक ऊपर, क्योंकि वहां से एक टेक ऊपर हायर हाई लिखी जाएगी. तो मैं भी एक टेक और ऊपर ले जाऊंगा. लेट्स सी. I'm just planning the trade. Okay, if you didn't take mid-band, it's okay. What is my next trade? My next trade could be, there you go, you have a double top now. So
Invalid हो गया अभी.
नहीं, वो तो invalid है, लेकिन अभी divergence है. Look at strength ऊपर नहीं गई, BBs भी ऊपर ही नहीं गए. अब मैं उसको 74 कर दिया.
74.25
खाली 74 जी. नहीं 74 नहीं, ऊपर है. थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. 70 64 75 50 बनता है मेरा, क्योंकि उठा के एक टिक ऊपर करना है ना. ब्लैक कैंडल मेरी कहाँ से बनेगी अब? मेरी ब्लैक कैंडल 64.8025 minus 4.75, so 64.7550. लो जी, 12 o'clock candle is here. Let's see which way he wants to push. No idea. But if it's a no major, because a black candle will appear 64.8025 minus 4.75 is 75.50. Let's see. But no major change even happened on this. Even at 12 o'clock made no sense. So no change at all. So looks like I don't think anything is going to happen. Price is shooting back up. So what is on the table? R2 is still on the table, guys. ES has no area touched whatsoever. ES got nothing touched. There you go. अब वो चल गया. अब आपके खराब हो रहा है. Meaning कि आपका remove कर दें. अगर लगा भी रहना हो तो एक टिक और ले जाए. 75 पे बनेगी अब ब्लैक कैंडल. आपकी ब्लैक कैंडल 75 पे बनेगी. Like 64, 75, 75 is your black candle entry to the downside. Because we 850
minus
4.75.
और ऊपर चले minus 4.75.
हाँ, एक ऊपर चली गई टेक, तो आपने भी एक टेक उठाना है ऊपर से. अब वो आपका आ गया एग्जैक्टली 76 पे आ जाएगा. So 6480.75 minus 4.75 is 76. So now your black candle, because black candle is 4.75, right? So अभी भी divergent, still divergent नजर आ रही है. So मैं divergent का trade लेना लेना. But be very careful, I'm telling you. Why? Mid-band is standing there. It could take you and then go back up. Remember, so be very careful, right? Even though there is a divergence, you will have a white line, but after the black candle, it's landing on the mid-band. So just, but still, they can, yes.
अब वो लैंड करेगी, अब उससे पहले तो वो उसने नीचे ही जाना है.
जाना तो चाहिए, एटलीस्ट लैंड करके उसको, हमारा वो जो रूल था कि 5 पॉइंट तक आ जाए तो, but still it's climbing. All right, for me to go, I gotta go set up live stream across all studios, all floors. So see you guys tomorrow. What to take? You still have a night high of 94. That's the night high. If you want to take S3, but NASDAQ, there's no area that got hit today for ES. Nothing. So Friday areas, Monday to Friday. 88 is your first R1. 94, maybe 6,500 even, if you want to take an area. But right now it is incredibly, painfully slow. But your black candle will appear at 64.8075 minus 4.75, which is at 76. It all depends on NASDAQ now, which way NASDAQ wants to go. NASDAQ is stuck in R1. First it was stuck in S1, and then for a while, and then it got to R1. What stock is up right now, today? Your Tesla is up 345. Broadcom is up. Google is up. NVIDIA is up to 181 because your earnings are coming. They're already, how much is NVIDIA? 181. Wow. It went to 4. Almost 4.43 trillion. Apple is up. Microsoft is up. Meta is break even. So
Sir, aren't you?
R2 अभी R1 आ जाए बड़ी बात है जी. R1 पे फंसे हुए हैं. आज तो कोई मूव, लेकिन R2 का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं 650 से ऊपर. ये फ्राइडे हाई 650 है. देखते हैं. No problem. No problem. Thank you जी. R2 का वेट कर. And see you guys tomorrow.